Now here we have the inner section of the accumulator piston. What I'm going to do, these are a new set of springs. They come, as you see, in a set of 3 with the inner inside and the 2 outer ones. Let's take this set apart. We've got the much thinner outer sections. They've first of all gently squeeze them on. These are extremely brittle, so ease them on very carefully. That's that on there. That's the first section. Let's take these others off. Get the 2 inner ones on first. One thing you must do, of course, is the joint in this one is there. Put the joint opposite on the other one. Keep them spaced out. Don't have them together. Let's ease that one on. There we go. Very carefully. That's it. Very, very tight fit, as you can see there. Now, again, with the outer ones, space out the joints. They'll come on quite easy. There we go. Ease them on. I will oil this in a minute. Squeeze that in. It's got to come over the top. That's it. Joint on that one is there. Space the other joint out over there. Those 2 together. Space this another one out. And the final one, turn it, get the space right over there. That's it. That's them ready to go on. Nice and springy, so it'll take up all the, when you put these in, when you put them in, obviously you've got to squeeze them in very, very carefully. 3 people normally. 2 squeezing in the joint, and someone giving a little bit of pressure on the top.
You're going to put them on?
What we've got here is a brand new accumulator outer housing. If you just look in there, you see that we've got a taper on there. That is to help with the putting in of the springs, so that will ease. This has all been lubricated, so just a question of squeezing them in and gradually bringing them in. Yeah, that's it. Just a little bit of a wiggle. Nice and tight. That's okay, that's it. Just gradually push it in. Be a bit scratchy to start with, but just give that a good clean. Make sure. I've got a new outer spring for that, and a new outer spring, so that is all ready now to go in. New O-ring, so oil everything and then it's ready to go.